Goes right down Santa Claus Lane. He'll come around.
I didn't have the key out.
Well, this is a combination.
Oh.
Found when time.
Need more tags myself.
So if somebody could sit here and, figure that combination out.
101.
It's good for keep a 5-year-old off of it.
Here, let me take this one.
And PAL's a Police Activities League, and what we do here is we have a bunch of different programs, sports programs that are designed to ideally keep kids off the street and involved in positive activity. So this facility was founded in 1972, and we have a couple baseball fields out there. We have a boxing gym right next door, and then we have a football soccer field. It's at a very affordable price, and so even if people can't afford it, we do scholarships and we do waive some fees, and where they can exchange some volunteer time, things like that. Close to probably 4,000, 5,000 kids, and then we do some other activities. We have it throughout the year. A giveaway that we're going to be doing on Monday. We did a turkey giveaway with the Lions Club, Rotary Club, things like that. So we just try to give back to the community and get as many people in the area involved and help them out as much as we can. But primarily we're a sports logistics. We have a facility here that can hold a lot of people. People don't have to be outside as much. Just the parking lot is kind of set up logistically. I think it's set up for something like this. I think it's going pretty well. They have all the cones set up. You drive in. I've been here 2 years, and PAL has been in existence since 1972. A lot of kids have come through, and now it's grandparents. People that went through here that are now grandparents, their kids are going through. So it's pretty much a mainstay of the community.